What is up, YouTube? I haven't vlogged at all this week. It's only Tuesday, not that bad, but I'm going to be switching out my nails. It's slightly growing, but it's more so lifting already. You alright? It's lifting already, so I just want to take it off. But I also want to do like a different design. I'm not gonna trim them or anything. I'll probably just shape them. I do want my nails to grow. Skin. Today is day 3 of the chemical peel. I'm flaking. I don't know if you guys can see. Welcome to Summer Week Vlog 7.
It's like you do your own thing and like make your
3 hours later, and I finally finished my nail. But I really like it. Very fun and still summer with like the peaks of orange and whatnot. So I actually do have to film a YouTube video that will be going up tomorrow. I gotta film that, then I gotta edit it. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh, thank you. You like it? What is up, you guys? Happy Wednesday. Illusion.
Remember to grab your receipt.
What is up, you guys? So I haven't been vlogging much, but I did do like a day in my life kind of thing on TikTok. Hope you guys just seen that video because it was from yesterday. Right now we're leaving the house. I do have to grab dish soap, and I made a list. I know it's like dish soap and rice cakes, so we're gonna go to Safeway. And then after, Elena asked if we could eat this, so I don't know. I mean, I said yes, but she has an attitude right now. We're gonna go to the store first, get the things we need to, and see if she cools out. If she doesn't, we'll be coming right back home. It be like that sometimes. Happy Friday. This is my skin. Still haven't worked out, but I did just start my time of the month yesterday, so. But other than that, I really like how my skin looks. It feels really soft. Note to self: never come on a Friday. It is ridiculous. The car next to me was parked so close. I had to squeeze to get in, but then while I'm getting in, he reverses to fix his parking. But I thought he was leaving, but just to fix his parking, and I was like, really? You couldn't wait till I was in the car? Yeah. Elena, you want to eat noodles? Okay, we'll go eat noodles. Huh? Thank you. What do you want to eat? Okay. What is up, you guys? Happy Sunday. So today I have a lot to do. I am wearing workout clothes because I did want to get a workout in today. It's been a little over a week since I've worked out, but I do have to do a lot of stuff just prepping content and editing and uploading for tomorrow. I'm gonna try to focus on what I need to do today and tomorrow, and then hopefully I can just smooth everything out for the next couple of days. I don't know if I'll be vlogging much on here just because I'm doing that. Happy Sunday. So we're leaving. I don't think I'm gonna work out today because I really want to edit this August setup video for tomorrow for my main channel. We're gonna head out, go get that Target thing, go get Boom's lunch, and then come back home. August starts on a Sunday this year.